Alright, so we got my new fender here. Gotta paint that bitch. The fumes. Oh my god. Oh my god. The fumes. Jesus. Alright, now I'm just trying to go through and even it out a little bit because there's these spots where it's not super even. Not professional, but just trying to do my best on it. That's looking not bad though. Alright, moved it out into the sun. I tried to get it a little, like, more even, but my can decided to give up on me and do some huge, like, blotches and stuff, but hopefully when it dries it'll look good. This thing's done. So, yeah. Let's pray. Alright. Now to get the old fender off, which, as you can see, is pretty fucked up. It's just rusty as hell, finally gave out. So, alright. T25. It is in fact a T25. Cool. That's what the bolt looks like. Don't lose it. Alright, let's get the rest of these off. This bolt, it's behind this, so I guess I'm just gonna rip this out. It's held on by a little sticky thing. I was able to get it. That was very awkward. Then there's another one here, where the door and the fender meet. Just get it. Sick. Fuck, where'd that go? Next one is right up there. Nice, we got it. The next one is here. It attaches the bumper to the fender. I doubt you can see it because the sun. It is almost 90 degrees out. Okay, next two are sneaky. They are right there, and they are underneath the bumper. Nice. There's one. Okay, I need 2 hands for this. Okay, and with those out, theoretically, it should just... We're getting somewhere. Yo, let's go. And it's off. Look at that. Ew. That looks weird. Now this side is different because it's a replacement part. The bulb like stays in there when you take this part out. I don't know why. and it won't come out even if I pull on it with pliers. So I'm gonna take this screw out, and hopefully that'll let me get it out, but we'll find out. Okay, I was able to get the old crusty ass headlight out of here, but that spring came off, and that's gonna be annoying as hell to put back on. So I might have to take the whole headlight out. Yay! So to get the headlight out, you have to take off the grill without knocking your headlights off. There we go. Once that's off, you then remove this bracket. There's supposed to be a bolt there and there, but they broke off. Alright, now with that, those out, take this off, and then you can get to the headlight. You can take it out. Oh yeah, you gotta unplug that as well. Alright, now that a chunk of my car is missing, we're gonna see if I can get this, the tensioner spring thing back onto here. Let's hope, because this looks like it's gonna suck. Yo, to whoever invented this, I hope every time you eat something hot it burns your tongue so you can't taste anything, because what is this? It is the piece that holds the light bulb fell through that hole into the housing. It is stuck inside there and I can't get it out. This sucks. Oh my god, I got it out. Thank god. Okay. How the hell am I gonna do this? I'm about to just super glue these headlights in. I don't even care. This sucks. Okay. I think it's in properly. Still jiggles around a lot, but it's in there, right? That took me an hour just to do that. Just to change one bulb. And now I have the second one. And now trying to get this one out, the whole headlight housing inside of it is falling apart. What the fuck is happening? Why is everything breaking? Huh? Just let me get this thing out. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I got the headlight. Oh my god, this sucks. I hate whoever invented this. Whoever thought this was a good idea for a headlight needs to be in a psych ward. Please just get out. Thank you. Okay. Alright, well, that one went much quicker, but now the housing is like broken inside of there. Like, why? Why would you do this? Look, you can see through there now. And indeed, why would you design it this way? This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. God, that sucked, but it's in now. I hope. Okay, yep. I'm gonna stop messing with it before I break something else. Well, that was the most annoying and depressing game of Operation I've ever played. That genuinely sucked so much. I hope I never have to change these bulbs. And if I do, I'm using super glue next time. I don't even care. That was... Oh, Jesus. That's the wrong way. Probably fine. I just lost a screw. Okay. Alright, now that it's on, you just tighten it down. Yes, this is a different color. I don't know why. I hate it. I'm going to fix it. But for now, it works. All right, got it on, got it hooked up to the bumper. This side isn't flush yet because the wheel's kind of fucked up. So once I fix that, this will be able to go into place. I hate that they're not the same color. I'm going to fix that. It's better than it was before with it all rusted and stuff. So progress.